Hello Mango, welcome back to our 30 days of purpose of Pilates journey with moving Mango. And today is all about unwinding and preparing your body and mind for restful sleep. So if you're ready, let's roll your mat and we are going to relax and restore together.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
Alright, let's start by allow yourself to sit on the mat, hands on the knees. Relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Inhale again and exhale again deeply. Inhale, get all the air into your lungs, open the chest. And exhale, get all the air out of your lungs. We are going to do some cat and cow in sitting position. So arch your back, open the spine, look up. And chin the chest around the spine. Pull your hands towards against the knees so that you can lean back. And open the chest again. And round the spine. You want to do it with your breath. So inhale and open. And exhale, round the spine. Exhale deeply through your mouth. And inhale again. And exhale deeply. And come back again. Now we are going to bring your head to the right. And bring your head to the left. And bring your head to the right again. Just close your eyes the whole time. If you feel like it gives you more calm energy. And one more time to the right. And one more time to the left. And bring your head back to the center. Open your arms sideways. Shoulders down and side bending to the right. Come all the way back and side bend to the left. And back to the center, reach your hand all the way to one side, lengthen the side of your waist and come back to the other side. And back to the center. Now soften your elbows, round the spine, close your hands forward and open your chest and look up. And round the spine again. And open the chest. And round. And open. And round again one more time. And inhale, open. And bring your hands down on the mat. We are going to lay down on your back now. Bend the knees into your chest. Wiggle your hips. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Inhale again. And exhale deeply. See if you can relax your feet, relax your whole body. And you can relax your hands, bring your hands down. You can also bring your feet down and bend the knees if it feels more natural to you. Keep your arms along the body. Wiggle your hips. And round the spine, tilt your hips up. Arch your back and tilt your hips down. Press your lower back down, curl your hips up again. Exhale. Inhale, arch your back. And exhale, round the spine. Press your lower back all the way down. Lift the hips tiny bit higher if you can. And two more. And last one. And press your back. And bring your back to neutral. Now we are going to bring your arms up to the ceiling. Press your shoulder blades down. And slowly bring your hips to the left. Your knee to the left. Come all the way back, your knee to the right. and come back to the center, and 2 more times each side. Just take deep breath here. Use the breath and lead that movement. And last one. And last one to the other side. And come all the way back. Bring your hands over your head. And arms all the way up and down along the hips again. So we are going to open the chest and bend the knees. Wiggle your hips again from left to right. You can open your arms now. Just relax your shoulders. Now sink that shoulders blades down on the mat. You can lengthen your legs if it feels more natural and more comfortable for you. Relax your shoulders. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Now bring your head to the left and hold it there for a couple of seconds. Press your right shoulders down still. And bring your head to the right. You can close your eyes the whole time just so that you really feel connecting to your breath and feel relaxation throughout your body and mind. And come all the way back to the center. Now bend the knees again and bring your knee to the left. Press your right shoulders down. You can also rotate your head to the right, opposite direction. And just relax your whole arms, your whole body here, your whole legs, your knees. Let it go where it go. And come all the way back and to the other side. So knee to the right, head to the left. Relax your shoulder blades down and relax your whole legs and hips and arms and head. Take a deep breath again and exhale deeply. Now bring your torso back to the center, hands on top of your rib cage. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. Relax your shoulders and exhale deeply through your mouth. Inhale again and exhale again. Focus on your breath here. Inhale and notice how your breath sound. It's soothing like a little wave in the ocean. And exhale deeply. Inhale and exhale. Inhale through the nose. Deep exhale through your mouth. And couple more deep breaths. Just gonna focus on your breath here. Relax your whole torso, shoulders, your hips, and your feet, your forehead, your cheeks, your lips, and your whole face, your hands and your feet, your toes and your fingers. And relax the chest, sink the shoulder blades down. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. And just stay here for as long as you want. You can start to find a position that feels even more comfortable for your body, and all the shoulders relaxing. Make sure there's nothing in between or in the middle that make you feel like you need to tense up your muscles. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. again, just keep breathing. And I want you to feel every muscle on your body start to scan from your toes, through the feet, through the knees, through the hips, through the chest, your ribs, your shoulder blades, your hands, your elbows, your shoulders, and your head. Just wiggle any part of your body if it feels better for you. Just need to relax, wiggle your hips, move any part of your body just so that you feel good. Make sure you do it slow and calm, and deep breath. Exhale deeply again. And one more deep breath. And again, just stay here for as long as you need to. Now I want you to bring your awareness to the front of your forehead. And try to relax that part of your face. Your whole head just relaxed. And another deep breath. Exhale to relax and release all the tension. And keep breathing. And whenever you're ready, you can just finish by a couple deep breaths. If you're ready to sleep, you can turn this video off, or you can just keep it here and let it go and focus on your breath. And you just did an amazing thing for yourself by prioritizing rest. Sleep well, and tomorrow we are going to do a refreshing Pilates flow. I'm going to see you soon. Have a good night.